Page 20, Amazing Grace. And this is just below ties. So in the section on ties, you can find Amazing Grace because I've uploaded that whole page if it's not in your version of the book. All right. Now, a couple things about Amazing Grace. It's going to use some of the notes that we just learned on fourth string. So fourth string open, fourth string, second fret, fourth string open. There's no F in the piece, so no fourth string, third fret, but it does use some of the previous notes on third and second strings. We also have two of those new concepts that we've learned. It's starting with a pickup note. Now this is in 3/4 time, so we would count in 2 and then play on beat 3. Remember, in 3/4 time, every measure adds up to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, etc. We also have a tie in a couple places. This is a dotted half note. Remember from back, I think it's page 14, it talks about the dotted dotted half note, and that equals 3 counts. So remember that a dot is going to add half the value of the original note to itself. So because a half note is worth 2 counts, that dot adds half of 2, which is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. You can add a dot to any note. It will always add half the value of that original note to itself. Therefore, the dotted half is 3 counts, plus it's tied to a half note. So that means this note is ringing for 5 counts total, and they have the counts written in there. So you're going to play on 1 and let it ring all the way until you play that next note on beat 3 of the following measure. Okay, I'm going to play through it. I want you to practice this during the week. It's got its challenges, but it also has a lot of open strings in it. And so it's technically not hard. The counting is a little unusual for most people because they're used to 4/4 time instead of 3/4 time. And of course, we have the new concept of the pickup note and the ties. So nice and slow, and then you may practice this as much as you want or need during the week. Here we go, Amazing Grace. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to try that again. I was trying to decide if I was doing a downstroke or an upstroke with the pick, and I froze. It happens, folks. Okay, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's tied. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Last line. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay,